Today we're looking at the electrical circuit tester 6V-24V, a short circuit detection tool designed for mechanics and anyone who works on cars or bikes. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. This device is meant to help trace and diagnose electrical problems in vehicles running on 6V to 24V systems. It's often used to test fuses, switches, wiring, and general circuit continuity. In simple terms, it helps find where current stops flowing or where a short might be hiding. For practical reasons, I can't show the physical product on camera, so we'll look at its functions and build through a screen recording. The idea is to see if this tester actually does its job well or if it's just another cheap tool that overpromises. The electrical circuit tester 6V to 24V usually comes with a sharp stainless steel probe, a long insulated wire, and an indicator light.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
Some models use an LED that changes color depending on voltage, which helps quickly spot problems. The alligator clip connects to the vehicle ground, and when the tip touches a live circuit, you get an instant visual response. Simple and effective when it works right. One thing people like is the wide voltage range. It handles both 6V systems, like on motorcycles, and up to 24V on trucks or tractors. That makes it versatile, so you don't need separate tools for different vehicles. The build is often solid, with a clear plastic handle that lights up when current is detected. But not every version of this tester is equal. Some cheaper copies use thin wire insulation that cracks after a few months, and the clips can rust if stored in damp garages. When using it, it's best to start with a grounded connection and test known working circuits first. That way you know your tester is functioning. If the light doesn't turn on at all, you may have a weak contact or a bad fuse in the tester itself. Another common issue is overly stiff wiring, which makes it awkward when reaching into tight engine spaces. The tester's accuracy is decent for quick checks, but it's not a replacement for a proper multimeter. It won't give you exact voltage readings, only a basic power or no power result. For fast diagnostics, though, it saves time. Many mechanics keep it as a backup tool, especially when dealing with older vehicles where wiring can be messy. A nice bonus is that the light feedback is immediate. No need to interpret complicated readouts. If the light glows, the circuit's live. That's useful in dark garages or when you're chasing a faulty wire at night. But the downside is that the brightness can vary a lot between units, and on some, the LED is too dim to see clearly in daylight. Another point worth mentioning is the probe's safety. Always make sure you're not touching bare metal parts when testing live circuits. Even though it's low voltage, shorting contacts accidentally can still fry small components. Some versions come with protective sleeves for the tip. If yours doesn't, it's worth adding one. As for the overall quality, this electrical circuit tester 6V to 24V sits in the mid-range of budget diagnostic tools. It's cheap, works well enough for basic troubleshooting, but not made for heavy professional use. The wire length is decent, usually around 3 to 5 feet, though professionals might want more flexibility. The transparent handle feels fine in hand, but can loosen over time if used often. If you're a car enthusiast or do your own repairs, it's handy to keep one around. You'll quickly find broken wires, bad grounds, or blown fuses. For serious diagnostic work, though, pair it with a digital multimeter. Together, they cover almost every electrical test you'll need in the garage. To wrap up, the electrical circuit tester 6V to 24V does what it claims, as long as expectations are realistic. It's not high-end gear, but for small auto shops or DIY mechanics, it's a practical choice. It's light, simple, and doesn't need batteries. Just connect and test. If you've used similar testers before, you'll notice it's faster than checking circuits manually. Just don't expect precise readings or